The Gamers Boy 282. Hello there guys, today I'll be showing you how to separate your items when you're using Classic UI in MCPE. Gamers Boy 282. It's hard when I try Classic UI, but I just found out how. Gamers Boy 282. There we go. Now I'll craft to show you. Look at that. No, I just crafted some items. The Gamers Boy 282. I turn it to survival. I'll show you how to repair. You know I'm survival. The Gamers Boy 282. I'll use my sword into half. Now there we go. I'll show it now. Look at that, my sword is fixed. 82. Now you know how to separate items when using UI Classic and repairing using crafting table. 82. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.